The top is like plastic veneer, but the body is solid wood. You can see solid wood and has all the stamps on it in a pretty good condition. Have just a little scratch, nothing big. I'm going to paint and let's go to start. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie. Today's video I'm very happy is another customer piece. I'm going to work on it, but this one is special to me because it's for my niece. My niece bought her first house and I'm very happy to redo this dresser for her. Let's go to start. time to paint. I already give 2 coats of primer. I'm sorry, I did out of the camera. And I'm going to use my 350 Wagner spray gun. I'm use chalk paint, bare chalk paint in the color Midnight Blue. But before I'm going to do a light sand with 4 degrees block sponge. I use my safety mask. For the drawers, I'm going to use Restor-A-Finish in a walnut color because they are in a good shape, and this finish, Restor-A-Finish, restore all the scratch, and this more heavy scratch I don't care about because the hardware will be covered. Time to protect my dresser. I'm going to use polyacrylic in clear satin, and I'm going to apply with my 350 Wagner spray gun. Apply 3 coats of top coat. the sneak peek for next week video. This will be fun. This piece will go on a Gacha Gold Challenge. No miss that. Thank you so much for watching my video. I have so much fun to make this dresser for my niece. I think it turns out so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye.